The tree houses of the Korowai people, Indonesia. Imagine living high up in the treetops. This is where most of the Korowai people of Papua Indonesia live. Their unique tree houses can be up to 50 meters above the ground. They are made of wood, have thatched roofs, and can accommodate up to a dozen people. To get to their homes, the Korowai climb up a long wooden pole with notches cut into it for their hands and feet. They build their houses up high to be safe from the dangers of the jungle, such as floods, wild animals, and mosquitoes which carry disease. Their high homes also stop neighboring tribes from breaking in at night. The Korowai hunt and gather food in the day. After nightfall, they chat and tell stories before going to sleep. The Fairy Chimneys of Gurami, Turkey. How would you feel about living in a rock just like prehistoric people did? Believe it or not, that's exactly where some people in Cappadocia in Turkey live. Over millions of years, nature created rocks in the area that look like upside-down ice cream cones. Centuries ago, people carved caves in these rocks to make homes. Today, people visit the area to admire one of the strangest landscapes in the world. Some say that it is like the surface of the moon. The locals enjoy living in the fairy chimneys, as they call them, because they are cool in the hot summers and warm in the cold winters. The caves are very cozy. They have small rooms with fireplaces and courtyards where people can relax and chat together. This really is a fairy tale place.